Hi guys. Well, beautiful clear blue sky. I got the cryptocurrency mining rig running for free. Massive amount of energy. I also have an ionizing air filter. Big beast that we bought for $2 at a garage sale in the summer. Running for free on solar power. And my laptop has been on all day. I forgot to shut it down. And I've been gone all day. I was working with one person on one project, and when that was done, some friends brought us over the rest of the firewood. That's 3 trailer loads, so not quite the 4 loads we had before, so that's 3 loads. I'm going to say it's about 1/4 and 1/3 at best, because these were really long logs, and they need to be recut. So again, I'll stack what fits, and what doesn't I'll recut, and then the tree bark gets scooped up and that becomes mulch for the garden. But so we're gonna have probably about 4 cords, a little over 4 cords when we're done with this batch with all of these. Got a picnic table for free. We just rolled it off the trailer for now. I'm just gonna put new metal on the feet. Those 2 feet had metal to keep it from rotting, and it seems to have done a good job. So I'll probably do that. We'll paint it, and it'll last us for years and years to come. Keep them painted. They'll keep on lasting for us. So anyway, we'll take care of that in a little while. But we just finished unloading the trailer. So now I gotta have some lunch, and then I gotta go off to do another job. So I've been doing a lot of odd jobs on the side to help get through. What a day. Look at that sky. Alright, well, I gotta eat something and hit the road again. Well guys, I was helping somebody hauling some stuff, and at the same time we got some free windows. 3 sets of windows. I believe they're double pane with screens. Frames, screens, hand cranks, locks, the whole works. And there's some fixing to do on some of the frames, but I've got all the pieces here. All the windows, everything is there. Everything together. Like I said, including the all screens in perfect shape. So I'm going to measure up this roof of the greenhouse and see if these will fit for the greenhouse roof. As long as I keep that painted, the outside of the window is pretty flush in a closed position. Shouldn't be a problem with snow. And like I said, keep that stuff painted so that the weather doesn't hurt it, because it'll be directly in the weather always. It'll be getting some abuse from the direct sunlight and weather and the elements, but I think it'll be good. That's my thoughts anyway. So I'm going to measure that up. I think they're 30-inch wide, but we'll see how it looks. Just had lunch finally, and I'm going to gather my thoughts and then get working on the firewood pile and start hauling that. I'm going to stack what has to be recut and over here, and then the rest comes over here in the wood pile. Hey guys, well, simple little issue. I had to replace the brake pads in the car. Got new brake pads in the mail. No big deal. Took off the wheel, started torquing on the bolt, and the bolt broke off in my hand. So now the bolt that holds the calipers onto the frame, onto the car, broke off about flush with the caliper. So the other one feels like it's breaking as well. So here it sits. And that's the end of this for now, because we're in between paychecks. The end. That, as cheap as I could find it, would be $100, unless you buy the half with with this piece missing. Sorry, I'm not looking very well here. This piece without this piece. is $50. If you get the whole thing, it's $100. And considering the fact that the bolts are breaking off, I'm thinking it's better to buy the whole thing. And I haven't even got to the other side, so I don't know how bad that's going to be over there. So here it sits, and here it's going to remain for a while, for now. And so, over here, I switched over and got the olds back on the road. Now this one is leaking transmission fluid, but at least it drives. So the olds is on the road again today, and here we have it. So at least we have transportation. In the meantime, emergency scenario, had to do what you had to do. Got the car going. I'm going to wash it up tomorrow better. I gave it a little wash down, but in a hurry. And I'll properly clean it up. And yeah, poor old car. This one needs some repairs as well, is why we parked it. But at least it does run until I can get the parts for the other one. There's that. So I didn't get any work done out here because I was working on cars. The Oldsmobile needed to get the tires pumped up and the fluids topped off and everything else. Now it's 7:45 in the evening. And I think I'm going to move some firewood, but really the day's coming to an end. I just feel like I have to do something more. Physical labor, got to do something. And this is itching to be put away. So I think I'll work for a while on this until I can't work anymore on it, until it's too dark. So that's our day. Oh yes, by the way, because I know somebody's going to say something. Yes, I'm going to try to take it off. Yes, I'm going to see if I can get that bolt out, but it's doubtful. And like I said, I'm pretty sure I'm going to break the other side, and now I'm going to need to get parts. And I need transportation to go get parts. So there's why I did it. It is what it is. And I'll probably break the other side, most likely. The way it felt, I'll probably break the other side. And the crazy thing is, I think this was a danger in the first place because it did not feel that hard coming out. When I broke that bolt, the bolt wasn't coming out. It was the bolt breaking. I think we just had a bad bolt right there and a bad situation, because that should not have broken that easy. With a little short wrench that I had in my hand. Should not have broke off like that. Well, the pile is bigger. Much bigger. And the other pile is getting smaller. Over here. That'll be it for the night. It looks brighter on camera than it really is. It's getting dark. I already banged up a shim pretty good. But this pile is gigantic now. That's as high as my head. That's 6 feet tall in the middle. That's going to be about a cord of wood, because those are 24 to 30 inches long. Those boards, those logs. And then I'm just pulling them out of here. I hauled a couple wheelbarrow loads over, and then I was sorting out what's too long and stacking it over there. So tomorrow I can get right at it and start hauling more loads away. Oop, mosquitoes are out. Alright guys, that's it. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. Thanks for watching. Good night.